Hello everyone, I'm Ihsan. In this video, we will unbox the Samsung Galaxy A02s. This is the latest smartphone from Samsung, which was just launched in January 2021. Samsung A02s is the next successor of the entry-level series of Samsung. It was just launched along with A12 on December 2020. Okay, now let's just open the box of the Samsung Galaxy A02s. The packaging of A02s is quite simple and just look like the standard Samsung's entry-level series in general. At the bottom you can see the RAM capacity and also the internal memory of this variant. This is the boot variant with 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal memory. And now let's just open the box of this smartphone. And here it is, the contents of the Samsung A02s package. At the top there is a manual book inside this white box. And there is no protective case or other additional accessories right here. Then here's the Samsung Galaxy A02s smartphone itself. And this is the look of the blue color on the Samsung A02s series. On the back there is also some kind of diagonal pattern right here. And it looks quite attractive for this entry-level series. Samsung Galaxy A02s already comes with 5000 mAh battery, triple camera setup, and also an octa-core processor. The camera design looks fresh and up to date. Inside the box there is only some product barcode and there is also a charger adapter. The charger adapter only supports up to 7.8W and it doesn't support up to 15W fast charging. Even though the A02s support charging up to 15W, however in the box we only get a 7.8W charger adapter. Then here we also get a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. Then here we also get a SIM tray ejector. And now let's turn on this Samsung Galaxy A02s. Let's open this plastic cover so that you can see the real color of the Samsung Galaxy A02s. The package looks quite attractive with some kind of diagonal icon like this. And it looks quite premium for the entry-level series. For the back case, it's made of plastic and there is some kind of texture on the back. It will definitely be less slippery and give a better grip on your hand. The camera design also looks quite up to date in this A02s series. There are 13 megapixel with f2.2 for the main camera on this A02s series. Then there are also a macro camera and a depth sensor camera that both come with 2 megapixel with f2.4. This smartphone comes with a 5000 mAh battery and also already comes with the latest USB Type-C and the price is less than $200. Okay, now let's set up this smartphone. And here's the initial look of the Samsung Galaxy A02s. The main key features of this smartphone is 5000 mAh battery and also a Snapdragon processor. Then the camera also comes with a triple camera setup. There is a 13 megapixel for the main camera. Then there are also a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro camera. So you can take a better live focus photo by making use of this depth sensor lens on this smartphone. So for the entry-level smartphone, it looks quite attractive for the price around less than $200. For the 15W charging speed is also already good enough for this entry-level series. However, unfortunately the 15W adapter is not available in the sales package. So you have to buy the 15W adapter separately if you want to charge faster. This phone feels pretty compact and the grip is also quite good. The rear design also looks pretty interesting. Even with polycarbonate material, it already comes with a pretty nice texture on the back. So for the material, looks more premium and better than the previous glossy design. The front camera is quite standard, only 5 megapixel with f2.2. For the display, if we compare it with Samsung Galaxy A12, the bezel side is not much different with Samsung Galaxy A12 on the right. And for the size, it also looks quite the same and only the camera design looks a little bit different between them. The size and form factor also looks quite similar. And for the weight is a little bit heavier on Samsung A12. For other differences between A12 series and A02 series is the Snapdragon processor used in A02 series, while on A12 use MediaTek P35. Then for the camera sensor is also bigger in the A12. Then there is also an additional ultra-wide lens on the Samsung A12. The other differences are the front camera lens on A02s use a 5-megapixel camera while A12 use an 8-megapixel lens camera. For the Bluetooth version is also different. This A02s use Bluetooth 4.2 while the A12 use Bluetooth 5.0. Then both of them already use 5000 mAh battery and the fingerprint sensor is only available on A12 series. The position of the fingerprint is at the power button on the right. Unfortunately, on this A02s series is still not yet available with fingerprint sensor. The A02s series is using Android 10 with One UI Core 2.5. For the Android version and One UI Core version is also similar on both A12 and A02s series. Both of them use Android 10 and One UI Core 2.5. Now let's take some sample photos from the Samsung Galaxy A02s. And here they are some of the photos taken with the Samsung Galaxy A02s camera. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you will be notified when there is a new video from this channel. If you have any questions or comment about the smartphone or about anything, you can write down in the comment section down below. Or you can also ask directly in the Telegram group or in our Instagram account @Sansertainment. I hope you get some value out of this video. See you on the next one.